Hello everybody! Today we're going to do something a little different. One of you sent us stuff in the mail, and we're going to open it on camera.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
So, we got a mystery box. And mug. It says mystery box all over it. And it says, a little treasure for you. Question mark. So, we're going to open this with everybody. So,
yeah.
First and foremost, Denise, thank you so much for the mystery box.
Yeah,
This is
so
really
excited.
cool. We're very excited to open it.
I'm excited for my mug too.
And her mug. Sarah found a mug. We tend to creep on, people's stores whenever viewers buy stuff from us. And Sarah found a really cute mug that she had to have.
Yeah.
And then the result was
Yeah,
this.
we got extra stuff.
So we're going to open it right now.
Time to slice. Be careful just in case. Because
What are
it
you
seems
doing,
pretty...
Tom?
Oh,
A lot.
it seems pretty jam-packed. Cut towards your south. It's always the safest. Ooh, my gosh, there's so much stuff.
Oh, wow. All right, so we had a battery die. So we are going to start with this. It says celebrity purse on it. Celebrity. So it's a new with tags, like Asian style,
Yeah.
I guess, purse. There's something in it.
I had an Asian style prom dress that was like that exact color and that exact pattern.
Okay. There's
Don't
help.
rip the tags off. He's really bad with purses. It's like a...
I should be.
It's
No.
it's a purse, but inside of it is like another bag. Like, it's like a cosmetic bag. Actually, mine gave us for myself for vacation. The cosmetic bag is... I love me a good cosmetic bag.
So yeah, first thing, celebrity purse, new with tags. Awesome.
And we're celebrities now, so it's perfect.
That's right. So we got something wrapped in paper here. It's like Christmas.
It is like Christmas.
Yeah.
Christmas in July.
Is this going to be socks?
Or is that my mug?
No, it's definitely not the mug because there's little cap paper
Wow.
wrapped.
This is going to be a long video.
Yeah, we could be here for a while. I don't want to drop it, whatever's in there.
Will you ever get to it?
No. It's...
It's a little ceramic Cabbage Patch doll. I'm literally dying.
Oh, it's precious.
That is being kept. Oh,
Well, there's a bunch of more small...
M freaking G.
There's more in here.
Yes, Freckles, it's blue, precious eyes. If there are more, Denise,
I think...
you're my BFF. Oh, is someone holding a cat or dog?
Yeah, let's just show this to the audience first before you get to see it. I can't block out your face. There we go. Let's just do this.
It's people with hands.
There we go.
Oh my god. OMG.
Sarah's favorite mystery box ever.
Oh my god.
Oh, but wait. There's another one.
Somebody, this one, these are actually from, they're not hand painted. They probably are, but I thought somebody painted
Oh, boy.
these. Is it another one? Is it a baby? If it's a baby, I'm about to die. It's a freaking baby! Oh my god. That is the best one yet. I'm gonna cry. I love it.
My camera is focusing on Cabbage Patches now instead of what I want it to focus on. There we go.
Give it to me. Oh my god. These are from 1984. This is my favorite thing ever. This
Well.
is like amazing. Troll!
Oh, we got a troll. Yay.
It's like a Christmas troll.
Yeah, it's like a Christmas troll. That's awesome. Christmas troll.
I'm gonna sneeze, I think.
Alright, well, put the troll down.
I just wanted to see its butt.
She's
See
looking
if
at the
there's a
troll's
tag
butt.
on it. It's actually, this might be a keeper too because I feel like this is gonna go on our Christmas tree. Adam loves Christmas.
I do. You're gonna sneeze? No.
No, I'm not gonna sneeze.
We got some bubble wrap here.
Looks like some video
Oh.
games.
It's like a bag. We gotta get some of these.
Oh, I was gonna order them, but I never did.
Mm.
We'll reuse these ones.
We will.
As
Thank
a
you,
start.
Denise. We've got. What are these?
Oh, they're razors for like
Oh,
old fashioned.
they're vintage razors.
Yeah, neat.
There we go. Neat. Thank you. These are awesome. What else? Do you want to open one of these things?
Sure.
Okay.
I mean, I don't think anything can
This one looks
I don't think anything can top the Cabbage Patch
No. We should have opened that last.
Babies.
Because that's definitely
think
the
this is a
pièce
frog.
de résistance.
Oh no, it's a mouse. It's a glass mouse. Hold on. United States Commemorative Fine Art Gallery.
It's a glass. No.
Sometimes I keep the little things like the razor blades and stuff because we have a shelf in there with all like miniature antiques and stuff.
Yeah.
So I put that stuff on there.
Oh,
Ashtray.
it's an ashtray. Oh, it has camels on
Is
it.
it like a bean bag?
Yeah, it's like one of those beanbag ashtrays.
Ah, somebody might want
Yeah,
that.
look at that. That's really cool. Friends of mine had one of these. Not this exact one, but the beanbag ashtrays, and I always wondered why you'd have an ashtray.
So it doesn't
with a
blow
beanbag.
away.
Yeah, but glass ones don't blow away.
Yeah, but whatever. This makes me want to smoke again. It's so shiny.
Yeah, it looks like it's never been used.
It looks like it's never seen an ash.
Nah. Here, you want to open this one?
Alright. This is the funnest box ever. So much better than Good Fare.
That's not saying much, but thank you, Denise.
Is this a cat? Is this cat related? Or is it a squirrel? I'm not real sure. Oh, it's squirrels? It's a squirrel family.
It's very strange.
Or is it kangaroos? No, it's a squirrel. But it's tied up to its kids. That's really cute.
That's hilarious. Look at that. It's a squirrel mom, and like she's chained to her children, which is
Someone will buy
kind
that.
of disturbing. But yeah, no, it's really cool.
I feel like, Denise, you should have put that on your eBay
Yeah,
store.
they're made in Hong Kong, so they're probably
I don't
vintage.
think I might put it on.
Yeah, so there's that.
They're definitely...
That's awesome.
These are neat. I like these a lot, actually. If I was into that type of thing.
You want to open this one?
Yeah, sure. This looks like vintage sewing things.
Oh yeah.
So it's a lot of like buttons. It's all vintage sewing. I'm not gonna pull it all out of here. But it's a lot of buttons and some like bias tape and like this is bias tape, I think, or
Remember,
like
I remember
edging.
bias tape because I struggled. I had no idea what it did.
Tassel.
Still don't.
Tassel fringe from Murphy's Mart.
Tassel fringe.
And this is a book of needles. That's like really old.
Oh yeah.
That might be a separate one. If
Book
I
of
do,
needles.
like, a
I'm not going to take
sewing-
it out of there because I don't want to.
Sewing
Don't want
wall.
to jack it out.
And then some like other sewing needles and stuff.
Yeah, awesome. That'll go on our eBay store for sure.
Yeah, sure will. You are helping us source.
Yeah, you hooked us up. Thank you, dude.
Because we were gonna take it light this weekend since we're going away.
Yeah, this is a book. A very old book.
Oh,
It's
that's fun.
Little Sabbath Breakers. Never heard of that.
Same.
Is it like
Oh, the front looks cool.
Black Sabbath Breakers as well? You know what it is?
It's awesome.
Yeah, it's Aussie.
I love the front. The picture on the front
This
is
is
very
brutal
neat.
with two faces. It's very hard. Yeah, and then there's like a picture, a girl running on the front, and then there's something written on the inside of the book.
That's old.
Yeah, it's really old. It's from 1881. Wow, That's super old.
Like 140 years?
Little sad. I guess Ozzy wasn't born back then, so this probably has nothing to do with Ozzy.
Probably not.
Probably not. But I swear I saw
I need a more comfortable chair.
something written in here. Oh yeah, here. No. Is there another page? But I'm not imagining this. There was definitely
No, there is.
Yeah. Yes, there it is.
Ooh.
Yeah, there's
Wow,
something.
1887.
And it's dated 1902, which is pretty cool. Oh, 1887 and then 1902 at the bottom. So there's
Fun.
actually 1902.
I'm loving that.
1887. It's really cool. I wonder if it says. Oh, I can't read
Mary E. Clem Edwards, a word from the something.
this. No, I don't think it's signed by the artist or the writer, but
I think it's
yeah, that's really cool. It's got like a monogram on the back of it. That's awesome. Super old book. Thank you. That's really cool.
So very old.
I think this is the mug. Yeah, this feels muggy.
Oh, that's my mug. It's a hedgehog.
We're gonna have some extra paper too. Thank you.
It sounded like it was really big from the description, so I'm gonna be drinking out of the big hedgehog.
Yep, there it is.
My
That's the mug that Sarah wanted because it was adorable. So this is how this all happened. We ordered this, and we got
This
a whole
mug
bunch of other
is
stuff.
the cutest. Thank
It
you
looks like
very
a cone.
much. It's a hedgehog, and it's actually very precious. It looked precious online. It's more precious in person. It's just about as precious as these Cabbage Patch dolls. I can't get over it. I can't get over them.
What is this? We got
The baby.
Totes Stretch Brews.
Travel rubbers.
Travel rubbers.
Travel rubbers.
Yeah, okay.
Don't we all travel with rubbers?
Oh, no. That's not what you think it is. They're shoes. They're like rubber shoes that protect your shoes.
You can put them in your pocket.
Nobody wears these really anymore because nobody really has anything. They have leather protected, but yeah, medium 9 and 10, $6.95 at Camps.
Camps.
Right there. I bet these are collectible, or somebody will
Yeah.
want them. Yeah, thank you. But there's like a. Is this like the travel bag?
Yeah,
Okay.
because look, if you look on the back of the box, it shows someone putting it in their pocket.
Oh yeah. Yep, these are travel rubbers right here. Yeah, they look like.
Oh my
they're
god.
just rubber shoes.
They look like actual, like, what's that called? Wingtips?
Yeah. They look
That's
like actual shoes.
Pretty funny.
No, I'm never going to get them back in this
Oh,
bag.
give it to me.
Here's the box.
No, it's actually not that hard to get in. I keep my rubbers tucked away.
All right, and I think there's one thing left.
Stretch Briggs. I don't know how to say it.
Travel rubbers.
My travel rubbers.
You want to open the last thing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Nothing can top this little precious baby. Nothing can. Nothing ever will.
Yeah, you knew who you were sending those to.
I just, like I said, I'm very emotional on that. It is a Christmas ornament!
It's a Steelers ornament. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Wow.
We're going to be keeping this for sure.
Yeah. It's
at that.
nice. Glass.
There's a few of you out there that probably won't like this. Some people don't like the Steelers, but that's okay. Nobody's perfect. Yeah,
perfect.
this will be going on our tree at Christmas. So that's it.
Aw.
Thank you so much, Denise. We
Thank
really
you.
appreciate it. This is awesome. We are super happy. Sarah cannot be happier about her little Cabbage
I
Patch
love it. I
babies.
gotta clear up some room off my shelf.
Yeah, none of those are going to be sold. I can promise you that.
Never! Especially the little baby with her little butt.
All right, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Denise, for sending that to us. We really appreciate it. We love mail time, so if anybody else wants to send us stuff, feel free.
We haven't checked our PO box in like 2 weeks.
Yeah, we gotta get there.
we
I took
might
the
have some
key
mail.
off the key ring, and now I always forget to grab it.
And Mikey's in his old car
Yeah.
that's now sold.
Yeah, so we're gonna need to go this weekend for certain because we got a couple things there that we need to pick up. So, yeah, if you guys want to send us something, feel free. There's an address in the description below, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. We did reach the 1,000 subscriber mark, but we are on our way to 5,000. So we're gonna need a lot. And that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!